So just listen. It'll happen. It probably will happen.
Yeah, hold there.
Yeah. So that's what I'm hearing, and I've never been.
Is.
It's coming for you.
All right, we're doing 38C. This is 38C. All right. It's kind of a loopy, up and down kind of trail. Let's see. Staying out of the mud just makes it harder to clean up. All right, yeah, we're moving. I think.
Which way did you guys go?
He's walking the trail. They're going to end up back where he's parked.
Did everybody jump in this trail?
Everyone but that orange one aside of Kyle.
Oh, okay, I didn't see any Jeeps back there, but I see the guys now. All right.
What the hell do you have there? What the hell do you have?
Zach?
I said I was looking at what you had.
Make sure everybody listens.
Yeah, I guess so.
I'm telling you, go this way.
Hey, easy. I got brand new tires.
Jim was just so flexed.
And he might hurt my... I'm surprised Don's doing it. He hates off camber.
I know.
I rub here too, but I never can tell what I rub on. So just listen. It'll happen. It probably will happen.
Yeah, hold there.
Yeah. So that's what I'm hearing, and I've never been.
It is. Go forward a little bit. Go ahead, do it again. Yep. You're running the same thing Jim Shee is.
What's happening?
The rear yoke is hitting your gas tank skid plate. I'm just going to put it in drive. I'm not going to go anywhere. See it?
Yeah, I see it.
That's what Jim was just having a problem with
Okay.
also.
The rear yoke is hitting the skid plate. That's my rubbing. Have I ever done? Oh, I've done this one yet.
Let me know when you're out of the list, Don. All right. Coming out of them Rockies, them rocks at the end, Richard's out.
Surprise!
Copy that.